Look at the result of some more of these darts, meaning once you remove the shape, how does it change the form? We've already looked at this cutout twice on top and bottom. That kind of gives that round taper. And then we've looked at this, and that gives you that, of course. So we'll look at this one now. All right. Again, I'm not slipping and scoring. You would be really smart to slip and score, because otherwise your seams are just going to come apart. Okay, so I'm leaning this so that there's an ability for me to overlap. All right. So there's that dart. Right, that makes a totally different kind of taper to the top. And then I also want to look at this one, right? This one is more of like a straight taper. All right. Again, I'm offsetting that. I'm pushing the clay of one over the other. Little slip and score, not too much slip, but you must do a little bit of slipping and scoring to get this to really mend together. All right. So all these tapers are different. One is kind of a nice round, positive curve taper. This one is pretty straight. And then this one here is kind of reverse. They always want to give you this little dimple, and you can kind of push it down if you're careful a little bit. But the dimple also depends on how wide this dart is. If you make it really long and slender and gradual, it's less of a dimple. The other thing you can do, if you want to, is you can smooth these seams and take some time with them, which the little plastic rib can be useful for. And also, you can take a coil, right? So I took this piece of clay and I'm rolling it into a coil. You see how the rim is kind of looks funny now that it's like been sliced and diced and all that stuff? I can come in with this coil, and if the coil's damp enough, I can kind of make it part of this by doing that same kind of thing. You kind of overlap the coil to the inside a little bit and then pull the clay up around that coil. That can kind of solidify a rim that you've kind of diced up. But you have to work quick because it'll dry out on you. Yeah, so the idea for you guys to start off is just to make 3 darts somewhere to change the form. Anything you'd be going beyond that would be extra, but that's fine too. All right? Okay.